Everyone perceives Hashem according to their own heart. To the degree that they have rectified their heart, to that degree they have clear lenses for being able to experience Hashem. So if you are dealing with anger and lust for physicality, and you get sad very easily, and you give into it, and you have heaviness, and you stay with that, you know what you're going to feel about how Hashem is running your life? He doesn't care about you, He's not taking care of you, He doesn't believe in you, He doesn't want the best for you. But that's not coming from Hashem, it's coming from your heart. And this is the real reason why the Torah begins with the letter Bet and ends with the Lamed. It spells Lev. Because the entire Torah, your entire life, is to rectify one part of you. That is your heart. All of our hearts are broken. And this is the reason we don't experience Hashem's kingship not like horror movies, but like a love story. But if you ever notice tzaddikim, they don't experience Hashem like He's out to get them. They're smiling all the time. Their faces are glowing. They're laughing. They're happy. They're easy. They're light. And they experience Hashem that way. Why? Because they have toiled day and night to make their heart a pure vessel to experience Hashem as He really is. This is your point of free will in life. Your free will begins and ends with your heart.
לא ינום ולא יישן שוי